In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Facebook ads using Payoneer. This process is quite straightforward, and with my help you should have it completed in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can simply open your web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Once you find it, click on the link that says Go to Ads Manager. This is your portal to managing any campaigns you have on Facebook, a crucial step if you're venturing into the world of Facebook advertising. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your email and password associated with your Facebook ads account. After this, click on the login button. If you haven't linked these credentials to your account before, make sure you do so to streamline your future login processes. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to the campaigns dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll see all your active and inactive campaigns, giving you an overview of your ad activities. From here, click on Billing and Payments, a section dedicated to handling your payment information and methods. In the Billing and Payments section, you should see an option for Payment Settings. Click this to manage your preferred payment methods. Keep in mind this is an essential step, as it's where you'll set up your Payoneer MasterCard for your ad spend. After accessing the payment settings, look for an option to Add Payment Method. Click this, then choose the debit or credit card option from the list provided. Facebook accepts various forms of payment, and this flexibility allows you to tailor the payment method to what suits you best, which in this case will be Payoneer. Once you've selected debit or credit card, proceed by clicking Next. This will lead you to a page where you can input your Payoneer MasterCard details. Ensure that all the details are accurate to avoid any interruptions when processing payments for your ads. Details such as card number, expiration date, and security code should match what appears on your Payoneer card. Finally, after entering your card information, click the Save button. This action secures your Payoneer card as your method of payment for Facebook ads moving forward. With these steps complete, your account is now ready to seamlessly fund your ad campaigns using your Payoneer MasterCard. And there you have it. You've successfully added Payoneer as a payment method for Facebook ads. This setup not only enables efficient ad funding, but also simplifies managing your advertising finances. I hope this guide has made the process a little less daunting for you. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your Facebook advertising endeavors.